Welcome back from the break. This is Jonah Trebek. Here are our contestants from left to right: Josh Ford, Zach Kirchhoff, and Will Gustafson. How you doing? And I'm your host, Jonah Trebek.
Push it to the ... for 500.
You got it, Zach. What is not a limit? William. I believe that is correct. He is correct. Ella with the plus 500.
John, I will take things you try to use too much for 100.
Things you try to use too much. 100. When you have to find a limit, but it's not working. Josh Ford.
L-Hop.
L-Hop. Survey says L-Hop. Josh is correct. Josh with the plus 100.
I'll take worst mistakes for 300, Jonah.
Worst mistakes for 300. Whose worst mistake was taking the class?
Jonah.
I think that might be correct. Yeah. Zebra with the plus 300. Fuck you.
Jonah, I'll take math dudes for 100.
All right, math dudes for 100. Question is, approximation man. Josh Ford.
Remo.
Wrong. Will.
Euler.
Wrong.
Euler.
Zach Kirchhoff comes home with the money.
Oh, yeah. Things you never remember for 2.
Things you never remember for 200. One is the sum of the other.
Oh, what are sequences and series?
What are sequences and series? Will Gustafson goes home with the money. Continue.
Worst mistakes, 100.
Will wants worst mistakes for 100. Whose worst mistake was forgetting to put plus C on an entire calculus test?
Zach.
Zach Kirchhoff is correct.
Jonah, I'll take push it to the ... for 100.
He wants push it to the what? What is a limit? Will Gustafson.
What is a Y value?
What is a Y value? That is correct.
I'll take things you don't need for the AP test, 400.
Will wants things you don't need for the AP test. I forgot we learned what this was. Zach Kirchhoff.
Trig subs.
Trig subs is correct.
Jonah, I'll take math dudes for 500.
Zach wants math dudes, 500. Series centered around 0. Josh Ford.
McLaurin.
Of course you knew that one.
I'll take things you don't need for the AP test for 200.
Josh wants things you don't need for the AP test as well. Physics.
Well, what is work?
What is work?
Yes.
You definitely don't need that for an AP test.
John, I'll take worst mistakes, 200.
He wants worst mistakes, 200. Whose worst mistake was not studying vectors for the final? Rock, paper, scissors. Zach Kirchhoff.
Everyone.
Everyone? Everyone!
Jonah, I'll take worst mistakes for 500.
Zach's on a roll with those worst mistakes. He's going to see if he can't keep it going. Whose worst mistake was literally can't factor, like at all? Josh Ford.
Gosh.
I think Josh Ford might be the answer. Josh Ford, what do you know?
I'll take things you try to use too much for 200.
Josh Ford's things you try to use too much, 300. Taking a very hard integral. What do you try to use too much? Zach Kirchhoff.
Smiley face case.
Smiley face case! All right, men, we are down to our final final question. Math Dudes 300. Here we go. Sums guy. Josh Ford.
Whoa, disqualified.
Disqualified. Remind. Men, it is time for Final Jeopardy. The question is, take the antiderivative of x squared. You have 15 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm coming around whether you like it or not. Let's see what Will Gustafson did. The integral of x squared equals x cubed over 3 plus c. This is the right answer. However, William, you forgot dx at the beginning. He gets Final Jeopardy wrong. Zach Urkoff's turn. Zach's got x squared dx. X squared plus 1 over 3. Where's the c, Zach? Where's the c, Zach?
Dang me.
Josh Ford. X squared plus 1 over 3. Why is there an integral in the answer, Josh? And in a surprise ending to Final Jeopardy, Jonah Trebek wins!